Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I hope you all are fine, my dear student. In previous part, we completed BPD theorem, that means basic proportionality theorem. Now move to the next theorem, that is property of three parallel lines and their transversal. I think you know about the parallel lines and their transversal. The theorem is the ratio of intercept made on a transversal by three parallel lines is equal to the ratio of intercept made on any other transversal. I repeat again. The property of three parallel lines and their transversal. The theorem statement is the ratio of intercept made on a transversal by three parallel lines. That means three parallel lines are there. In that one transversal is there, and in that transversal the ratio of intercept is equal to the ratio of intercept to the other transversal. So this is your theorem. It is in short is called as property of three parallel lines and their transversal. Now as for the statement, try to draw the figure. Here three parallel lines are there. So I draw here three parallel lines. Line L, line M, line N. Okay. And this is the transversal T1 and this is transversal T2. Okay. Now this statement is talking about three parallel lines and two transversal. Now you can see this transversal T1 intersect these parallel lines at 3 points. So take here P. I am taking here point P, Q, R, and here points A, B, C. Okay. Now P, Q and QR are the intersect made by first transversal, and AB and BC are the AB and BC are the intersect made by second transversal. Okay. Now write the given part as per the figure. Given line L parallel to line M parallel to line N. Line L, line M, line N are the three parallel lines. T1, now T1 and T2 are two transversal. T1 and T2 are the transversal. I think you know about the transversal. So transversal is a line which intersect the parallel lines is called transversal. A line which intersect parallel lines is called transversal. So here L, M, N are the three parallel lines. Parallel lines T1 and T2 are their transversal. Due to the T1 transversal, you get two intersect. One is PQ and QR. PQ and QR is called intersect. PQ and QR are called intersect. This intersect are made by transversal T1. Transversal, due to the transversal T2, you get two intersect AB and BC. Okay. Now you have to prove the intersect made by the ratio of intersect made by the first transversal is equal to the ratio of intersect made by second transversal. That means you have to prove PQ upon QR is equal to AB upon BC. So to prove, you have to prove the ratio of intersect made by these two transversals are equal. That means you have to prove PQ upon QR is equal to AB upon BC. Okay. Now this is the property of three parallel lines and their transversal. To prove this theorem, I join here P and C. Okay. Here take point D. Okay. Now write in construction. Join point P and C. Okay. After joining these points, you get two triangle. One is triangle PRC and one is triangle CAP. Okay. First I am taking triangle PRC. That means this triangle PRC. Now start proof. In triangle PRC. PRC. Okay. If you observe in triangle PRC, these two are the parallel lines. That means QB, or you can say line M, is parallel to line N. Okay, if a line parallel to any one side of a triangle, then divide two sides in same ratio. That is your BPT theorem. So in triangle PRC, you can write QD is parallel to RC. QD is parallel to RC. Okay, because line M is, or you can write in this way also, line M is parallel to line N. These two are the parallel line. So that means if line M is parallel to line N, that means QD is also parallel to RC. So therefore, QD is parallel to RC. If you observe QD is parallel to RC, here you can apply the BPT theorem. So BPT theorem, if a line is parallel to any one side of a triangle, intersect two sides in same ratio. So as per the BPT theorem, ratio of this side is equal to ratio of this side. So therefore, PQ upon QR is equal to PD upon DC. PD upon DC, give it number 1. Now similarly, take triangle CAP. Yeah, you can see, you can say ACP. Now in triangle ACP, same here in triangle ACP, line L and N parallel. Okay, line L is parallel to line M, or you can say that PA is parallel to PD. That means PA is parallel to PD. Okay. Again, you can apply the BPT theorems. BPT theorem, according to the BPT theorem, if a line is parallel to any one side of a triangle, intersect, divide the two sides in same ratios. So therefore, AB, or you can write PD upon DC, BPT. Give your reason, BPT. Here we apply the BPT theorem. So write the reason, BPT. So PD upon DC is equal to AB upon DC. Give it number 2. The same reason here also we apply the BPT theorem. Okay. Now observe this 1 and 2. PD upon DC is same. If one ratio is same, so automatically the second ratio is same. So from 1 and 2, you can write from 1 and 2, PQ upon QR, PQ upon QR is equal to AB upon BC. Okay, so this is your property, or this is your theorem. If this is your theorem, that is a property of three parallel lines and their transversal. That means the intersect made by the two transversal is intersect made by two transversal are in ratios. That means if a three lines are parallel, then the ratio of intercepts of the first transversal is equal to the ratio of intercept of second transversal. So because this is your second theorem. So I think you understood this theorem. You have to apply this theorem to solve these sums. Okay.